Okay, so today we are in the beautiful Santorini, and I'm super excited to take you guys with us on the sailboat we are going on. And for this port, we do have to tender into Santorini, so we are meeting at the Walt Disney Theater to wait to then get our tender. Just got our number for our tender, and we're waiting in the theater. And right over there is the donkey. So we're now on our tender and we're leaving the boat. We're heading our way to Santorini. It's so beautiful. There's the donkeys waiting to be sat on. We just got off our tender and now we're walking over to that white building right there to go on the cable cars. There are buyer tickets right here. So there's all the cable cars. Only 6 people can fit in a cabin, and they were going to split us 2 and 2, so we decided to stay to 4 and then they'll put us in the other cabin, so we're just on the other side. And we are cabin number 6. These cable cars can take like a while, like standing in the line, but we made sure to get up early and to be efficient. So we're about to board ours soon. We're in our cable car. We're gonna sit backwards. Oh yeah, you're right. Yes, we're going up. And we've made it up to the top. Okay, we're off the cable car. Now we're heading this direction to our sailboat. So we came through here and got off the cable car, and then we walked this direction. Right now we're in the sitting area waiting for our taxi guy to come and take us to Oya, so the OIA place where it's very famous for its brewers. And look at this pretty view. It smells like donkey poop, but it's so pretty. Okay, donkeys leave their surprises, like was said to us this morning. A lot of, like, all over the street. So you can do this fish thing where they eat your dead skin here, and you can get free beer or wine or something.
Okay, thank you.
Here's the free drinks you can get. And here's the prices. We're making our way down because we have found our taxi driver and we're going on our sailboat. It's a bit busier around this area where we are. We just went down a hill. We are right by this yachting company, and all the cars are just coming down this way, and they're gonna come pick us up. We've gotten our car. So we had to drive backwards down the hill, because if you don't, then you have to drive backwards up the hill. So that was pretty interesting, but we can see a bunch of sailboats and catamarans are about to head down to them. It's so cool and so pretty, and I'm so excited for this. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along for an amazing Greek adventure on the water. Look at how beautiful this little area is. And then up at the top is the famous Oya. Now we're gonna start heading down to the dock, going through down these stairs. Like, this restaurant is so cute. Fish cabin. And we could have run on that catamaran over there, but there's so many people on it. But I think we're gonna have this sailboat to ourselves. This is our boat, and he's slaying this. Good for this man. We are on our beautiful sailboat.
Doing the round of the Caldera. Starting from here, Armeni Bay, we are first stop here. And we'll stop as long as you like.
Okay.
Afterwards, we're hitting close to Merovigli, Firo Stefani, Old Port of Fira. Then we sail in between the two volcanic foam islands in the middle of the Caldera where the hot springs are.
Oh, nice.
The hot springs will stop about 1 hour.
Okay.
You can swim there again. It's really hot. It's about 38, 39 degrees Celsius.
Oh, nice, nice.
Wow. And at the meantime, I will prepare your lunch.
We've already started eating it, but we got some fruit.
And also, this is our first swim stop.
Oh, okay.
If you want
This is like where they have celebrations and tons of boats come into this area for celebrations, like for churches and stuff. These lines are the hardened lava. So next up, we're about to go to a cave, which then has a little beach inside of the cave. Right? Inside of the cave?
I think next.
Okay, or it's next to it. We're about to find out. We're going to a cave. So this is the cave, and I guess you can swim in there, and then there's a little beach inside. The cave. My dad's up there. Owie. Look, we can see the boat. Okay, so we're gonna do more swimming. My hair is probably terrible with the boat right there. What? Amazing. We're about to get in the water right here, and it's just so gorgeous, and the sun is so beautiful. Now we're passing right there. We got off the tender. How funny is that? The water does smell bad when you're in the water, but it's it's not terrible. You can tell. Oh my God, see how it changes the color of the rocks? See, you can see the changing of the colors of the rock. We have to swim into this channel, and that's where it will get warmer. All the bubbles. Hey, trash cans! Now we are going back, but it is warm. About to have some lunch. After swimming in the sulfur water, we are rinsing off right now. And we're just rinsing that sulfur off of us. Here is our lunch. So yum.
Nice. Spring rolls, tomato balls, Greek salad. This is a traditional Greek sweet.
Oh, nice, like dessert. That's great.
Semolina.
Oh, great. That looks great.
So I think we just got out Santorini. We got this too. I also got this hat. Me and Maddie are 20 with this hat. We got 20 necklaces, no, 20 bracelets. My mom and I got 20 jackets. So we just paid over there for the cable car, and this is the line so far for the cable car. Our cable cars are here. So this is what the line situation looks like to get our tender back to the ship. And then here's Maddie. So we're now on our tender, and we're about to go to the pool to go to the showers to wash off the sulfur of our bathing suits and just our bodies. We did it on the boat, but we kind of need to do it all. I was making my Instagram post, so I didn't get the horns going off, but we are headed out of Santorini, and I'm about to shower off and get ready for the night, and probably be wearing my Santorini hat that I got today, which is so cute, and then a sweatshirt. Okay, see y'all later. Peace. Okay, so we just got back from Santorini and it was the best day ever. Got this hat. Super cute. We shopped around for like an hour while we waited in line. Our dad waited in line and then we shopped around. Got a new sweatshirt, which I'll show y'all later. And then we went up to the lobby. I went up with some friends and we took some pictures of the characters. So here's a bunch of pictures that we took.
1, 2, 3.
Fabulous. Wow. Oh, yeah.
Donna really wants to climb up there.
Hey, oh, I got you. Alright, ready? And now we're headed to dinner at the Royal Palace. So tonight I'm gonna probably get the prosciutto, and then there is the lobster, but I don't know if I'll get it because I'm just not adventurous enough. And I'm thinking of getting the chicken, but I hate chicken on a bone, so we have to see. And then I'll probably look into getting the steak, but we shall see. The prosciutto with, I don't actually know what that is. Prosciutto, Parmesan cheese. My mom just gave me her extra Parmesan cheese. And garlic you put on the bread. Are you gonna eat the garlic? I'm gonna try it with food. And the lobster. Whoa. So tonight is the chocolate lava cake in the Captain's Sundae, which has the mint chocolate chip ice cream. So I'm gonna ask for mint chocolate chip ice cream on my lava cake. Got our lava cakes and we're about to get our ice cream on top of it. And we got the mint and Maddie got the vanilla. Perfect.
You missed the history.
Looked like Greece, yeah, where they cut through the middle and serving it goldenly. Oh wait, that's the thing. That's where we swam. Yes, the white stuff. And we got our mint chocolate chip.
Thank you so much.
Oh, and it fell. I'm trying to make it good, but it's warm. Whoa! Wait, that is.
Lava cake, mom.
Now to enjoy this. Got back to our room and we got a dinosaur with some chocolate. Okay, dinner was amazing and now I'm about to head to the adult area for some fun. Bye! Hey y'all, we're traveling to 8682 right now.
I don't know if it's the right.
Yeah, we don't know where.
I already linked your video in your channel in my last description. So vlogger meetup.
Yes. Okay, so we're cool. We love Ashley. Linking her right now. Yeah, this is Hey Trash Cans. If y'all have ever seen Hey Trash Cans for Life.